Hi, this is Wei here from Phone Part Distributor. Today we have a refurbishing kit designed to refurbish using your existing smart device LCD touchscreen and replace your broken outer front glass. Our repair kit is specifically designed to replace the outer front glass only. You require a fully functioning LCD touchscreen with a broken outer front glass. Here I have an example showing an iPhone 4 with a broken outer front glass by using our tester box. We have a touch panel that's working, LCD that's working, there's no dead pixels, with a broken outer front glass. There are two types of repair kits available to replace your broken outer front glass. First method is using the OCA. The second method is using the locker glue. Both methods require a certain degree of machines, depending on which type of method you choose. Our refurbishment kit available in iPhone 4, 4S, iPhone 5, 5S, 5C, iPhone 6, 6 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S series, Samsung Galaxy Note series. The kit just showing in front here is for a black iPhone 6. I will now go to the parts contained in this iPhone 6 repair kit. You receive 3 pieces of anti-dust microfiber cloth, 6 pieces of anti-static finger glove, a packet of 8-in-1 toolkit in assisting removing your broken screen and replacing your new screen, a double-edged blade in assisting removing the glue during refurbishment process, an iSesamo pry tool, an iPhone 6 mold, a black iPhone 6 frame, a black iPhone 6 outer front glass, a bottle of glue removal. As you can see, this kit have an OCA and a bottle of local glue. If you decide to use this OCA, you require a press machine and a vacuum machine during refurbishment process. If you decide to go for a local glue, you require to put your refurbished LCD touchscreen on here, on the mold, on top of the mold. You apply the local glue on the top and put it on the outer top glass and firmly press on to remove any bubbles. To cure the locker glue, you require UV lights in order to cure the glue. Thank you for watching. For more phone parts and accessories, go to www.phonepartsdistributor.com.au.